Hello student, hope you are safe. Welcome to science class. I am Yogita Miss, your science teacher. Today we are starting online classes of 8th standard. Look at the cover page of 8th standard textbook. It is so meaningful. It shows the contents of books. Student, first upon, before we start our class, when you all watching videos, you will pick your pen, pencil as usual in my class. Note down all questions, definitions, answers in your 200 pages long notebook which I will give in online class. In this textbook, there are all 19 lessons. When you turn the pages and come to the content of the book, there are all total 19 lessons. So let's start with lesson number 2, which is related to this situation, because everybody know that we are all suffering from the pandemic corona disease, and it is an infectious disease, which is all other infectious diseases we are discussed in the lesson number 2 chapter, that is the health and disease. Turn the pages and come to the page number 6, the lesson number 2, health and disease. Look at in the lesson, there is, can you recall? Have you ever taken the leave from school due to sickness? Look at in the picture, the 2.1 picture, the person is suffering from the sickness and he is put a thermometer in his mouth for checking fever. The question number 1 is, have you ever taken the leave from school due to sickness? And the answer is, the student, yes, when there was feeling of illness, we have taken leave from school. Is it right? Now the second question, what happens exactly when we become sick? What happens? The normal symptoms are there. When you are become sick, there is disturbance in the normal health. There is some pain in your body. One may get fever. There is headache or cough and cold. Yes, sometimes the digestion is improper, resulting into loose motions. Then the question number 3. Sometimes we feel good even without taking any medicines, and sometimes we need to consult doctor and take regular medicines in sickness. Why is it so? Think about it. Yeah, whatever can you recall? Why is it so? Some illness can be treated at home with household remedies. The answer is, some illness can be treated at home with household remedies even if there is infection. It can be for a short period and gets cured by itself. But some of the illness are severe and cannot be cured in such a way. Thus, a doctor's advice and treatment is required. The simple answer is it. These are 3 questions you have to note down in your textbook with answer. The next topic is health. Then what is a health? Health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being, and not merely the absence of any disease. Why you say that a person is a healthy person? Not only he is not suffering of any disease, but he is of complete physical, mental and social well-being. That one is a healthy person. And what is the disease? Why we say this person is suffering from disease? Condition of disturbances in physiological or psychological processes of body is called as disease. This definition and this answer you have to note down in your notebook. Each disease has its own specific symptoms. Everybody know that whatever we are suffering from, fever, cold, any diseases, they have a specific symptom. According to these symptoms, diseases are classified into the types, 2 types, main according to their duration and according to reasons. The first, according to duration, मतलब how long these diseases are. The first one is a chronic disease. Chronic diseases, they are for a long period of time and they are not curable. For example, are cancer, arthritis. Second one is acute disease. They are for the small duration of time. Acute diseases are cough and cold, fever. When we take medicine and proper treatment, they must be cured. According to the reasons now. According to reason, diseases are classified into hereditary diseases, acquired diseases. Hereditary diseases, that is the diseases caused because of the hereditary characteristics from grandfather to father and father to the next generation. Example, Down syndrome. This is a hereditary disease. The next one is acquired disease. Again, these acquired diseases are classified into the two types, infectious diseases and non-infectious diseases. Infectious diseases are the diseases which are spread through the infection, common cold, flu, dengue. Now these infectious diseases are spread through the diseases like the common cold, cough, flu, dengue and also the coronavirus. Now we are suffering all coronavirus, COVID-19. Non-infectious diseases, for example, diabetes, heart diseases, etc. Now, can you tell how do the following diseases spread? For example, the examples are, some diseases are given here: hepatitis, malaria, scabies, TB, that is tuberculosis, dengue, dysentery, ringworm and swine flu. How these diseases are spread? These diseases are the first one by one we take. The hepatitis are spread to the contaminated food and water. Some types of hepatitis such as hepatitis B is transmitted through infected blood. Then malaria, bite of female Anopheles mosquito. Scabies, by contact with scabies bite. By contact with scabies mite. TB, tuberculosis, contaminated air due to bacteria of tuberculosis. Dengue, bite of female Aedes mosquito. When this female Aedes mosquito bite to us, then we are suffering from dengue. Dysentery, contaminated food and water. When we eat such type of open uncovered food, then we are suffering from the dysentery. Ringworms, contact infection due to fungus. Swine flu, contaminated air with viruses of swine flu, that is H1N1. Just like that, coronavirus is spread through the coronavirus, that is COVID-19. The next question is, what do we mean by pathogen? The microbe that causes infection of some particular diseases are called as pathogen. The question number 3, what do we mean by infectious diseases? We are discussing above, that is the infectious diseases, common cold, flu, dengue and coronavirus. Then what mean by infectious diseases? By being in the contact of a patient, the pathogens from his or her body enter another normal person through air, water or other means. These pathogens create illness in a normal person, causing infectious diseases. That is, when the viruses of COVID-19 are entered through the infectious person's body to the normal, then the person are suffering from the coronavirus. That is the infectious disease. Look at in the diagram 2.2, that is infection through through how this infection is spread. When the person is coughing or he having a cold, yeah, whatever he is coughing, the particles of the air in this area, small droplets are vaporized into into fine mist. Mist remains in the air for several minutes to few hours. Large droplets settle on the ground within few seconds, and when we inhale, when we will come contact in such a infected person, then we are suffering from the infectious disease. Come on the next page 7. Here is the chart table given of infectious diseases. That is, briefly, the definition is given here. Diseases spread through contaminated air, water, food or vectors, that is insects and other animals, are called as an infectious disease. They can through air, spread through air, water, food or animal and insects also. Name of diseases here given in the pink: pathogens, then mode of infection, symptom, prevention and treatment. You have to draw this table. Otherwise simply write the tuberculosis, then the pathogen, mode of infection, symptom, prevention and treatment. Sometimes the pathogens will be asked in the form of fill in the blanks, and sometimes the questions is will ask in the examination, that is name the symptoms of TB, prevention and treatment of TB, whatever mode of infection. Such vice versa questions are asked in the examination. Then tuberculosis pathogens: Mycobacterium tuberculei. Mode of infection: spitting by patient through air, prolonged contact with sharing of materials of patient. That is, when we are come closely contact in such a tuberculosis patient, then we are suffering from infected tuberculosis. Symptoms: how we know that is we are suffering from TB? Chronic cough, bloody spitting, emaciation, difficult breathing. That we are suffering from chronic cough. The cough is for a long of 1 week, 2 weeks. That is, then bloody spitting, when we are spit there is a blood. Emaciation, difficulty breathing, we are suffering to inhale oxygen and suffering for breathing. Prevention and treatment: BCG vaccine, isolation of patient, regular medication like DOT. This DOT medicine is given to the patient of TB in the government hospital free of cost. Then the next is the hepatitis, jaundice, pilia. Hepatitis virus, it is spread through the pathogen virus A, B, C, D and E. Contaminated water, sharing of needles, blood transfusion. Anorexia symptoms: yellow urine. Anorexia means our eyes become yellow urine, our hands slightly look like yellow. General weakness, nausea means sometime we felt unconsciousness, vomiting, grey stool. These are the common symptoms. Prevention: drinking boiled water, proper cleaning of hands. Then third one is a dysentery. Name of dysentery: bacteria, virus, Shigella bacilli, entamoeba, histolytica. These are the pathogens. Contaminated food and water. Watery stool, pains in abdomen. Drinking of boiled water, proper storage of food and ORS consumption. Oral rehydration solution, ORS solution. That is ORS solution. Take 1 glass of water, pinch of salt and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Stir it properly and sip are provided to the patient. That is the ORS solution. Cholera, Vibrio cholerae bacterium, contaminated food and water. Symptoms: vomiting, severe diarrhea, cramps in legs. Prevention and treatment: following hygienic practices, avoiding open place food, drinking boiled water, vaccination against cholera. Typhoid: the next disease name is the typhoid. Salmonella typhi, that is the bacterium. Contaminated food and water, anorexia, headache, rash on abdomen, dysentery, fever up to 104 degree Fahrenheit. Prevention and treatment: drinking clean water, vaccination, proper disposal of sewage. That is, these are the diseases and these are the pathogen, mode of infection, symptom, prevention and treatment. Now complete the table. Prepare similar. Some exercise is given here. Prepare simple table of information about various diseases like enteritis, malaria, plague, AIDS. Same as it is. Diseases like similar table, that is name of diseases, pathogen, mode of infection, symptoms are given here and you have to write them. Observe and discuss. Internet, my friend, you have to give us search the reasons, symptoms and other information of chicken pox. What is the reason of chicken pox? Again, the contaminated water. Symptoms: fever, small bowels on your whole body. Then again you feel nausea. These are the some symptoms of chicken pox. Collect additional information. Again, additional information, that is prevention, treatment, pulse polio drive and WHO. Pulse polio campaigner, the advertising also given by the Amitabh Bachchan ji. Pulse polio drive. Every society, our Indian government also run campaign to drive away the polio from our country. Some date in every society, on every public public places, the government of India are provided the polio drops for every child under 5 years. WHO, the World Health Organization. Then where do you see the waterlogged material shown in picture? Look at the picture 2.4, dirtiness in the surrounding, and depending on this picture, some questions are asked, that is, where do you see the waterlogged material shown in picture? Where you see? At the backyard of our house, yeah, on the roads. Yes, you can see all these pictures. Which hazards do you anticipate with the help of picture? Which hazards? Which hazards do you anticipate with the help of picture? Everybody try to find the answer. Unless when we meet in the next lecture, I will give you the answer. Okay, bye bye, thank you.